For over 90 years, Sidey has been part of homes and communities across Scotland, trusted for quality windows, doors and craftsmanship that stand the test of time. Now Sidey has entered an exciting new chapter with the opening of a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility at Target House in Perth. This new facility brings together the very latest technology, sustainable practices and decades of expertise, creating windows and doors designed for the future. All our windows and doors are manufactured under Sidey's ISO 9001 quality management system. This includes ISO 14001 for environmental management and ISO 45001 for occupational health and safety, giving total control over product quality, compliance and production lead times. Furthermore, all Sidey products are energy rated. Our products are manufactured to the highest standards, including BS 7412, PAS 24, BS 6375, BS 8529 and secured by design. 97% of Sidey manufacturing waste is reused or recycled. Unlike other materials, our uPVC products include a significant amount of recycled content, and then those very products are fully recycled back into new windows and doors at the end of their life. At Sidey we offer many products and solutions that significantly improve thermal performance, whilst offering other significant contributions to net zero. Every product that leaves Target House carries the Sidey hallmark: strength, style and Scottish craftsmanship. Sidey windows and doors, built on history, designed for the future, proudly made in Perth.